Hello, GMAT aspirants. Welcome back to our GMAT Sentence Correction series. Today, we are delving into a common topic that can trip up even the most skilled test takers. Using one-off correctly in GMAT. Understanding how to navigate this phrase is crucial for acing sentence correction questions. Let's dive in and unravel the mysteries. Before we explore this further, let's clarify the importance of one-off. This phrase indicates that we are selecting a single item from a larger group. However, mastering its usage can be a bit tricky, as it involves both subject and verb agreement. When one-off is followed by a subject, it requires a singular verb as one-off is always singular. Consider this question, take a moment to decide the correct verb form and its agreement with the subject. Feel free to pause the video if needed. The correct answer is has. Even though candidates is plural, the subject closest to the verb is one, which is singular. Therefore, we use the singular verb has to maintain proper agreement. Now, let's consider a scenario where one-off is accompanied by modifiers. GMAT might create a trap for GMAT test takers by introducing long modifiers in between to separate the subject from the verb. But always remember, the verb will be singular always with one-off. Let's take this example. Please pause the video, think about the answer, and press play once you are ready. In this question we have a long modifier added, but as we have the construction of one-off, so correct answer should be the singular verb has. Let's explore a GMAT-style question. Feel free to pause the video, ponder the answer, and resume once you are prepared. In this GMAT-style sentence correction question, the focus is on the subject-verb agreement with the phrase one of the key factors. The verb form should agree with the singular subject one, not the plural noun factors. In option A, the plural verb are does not agree with the singular subject one. So option A is eliminated. Similarly, in option D, the plural verb are does not agree with the singular subject one. So option D is also eliminated. Similarly, in option E, the plural verb are does not agree with the singular subject one of. So option E is also eliminated. In option C, the correct verb form should be determines instead of determine to agree with the singular subject one of. So option C is also eliminated. In option B, both the verb and the verb form used are singular. So option B is the correct answer. Now, let's tackle a complex GMAT-style question. Pause the video to meticulously analyze the options and submit your answers in the comments.